story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my froze? It's me, Gina Marie, and in this video I'm here introducing some new products. These products was actually sent to me to do an Instagram sponsorship a few months back, and I have been meaning to do a full video, YouTube video on these products because I really did enjoy them. So they are the Crown and Couture's Caribbean Coil Coconut Cream Hair Milk, as well as the Caribbean Coil Seal and Twist Souffle. They look like this. They also did send me a refresher, but the refresher is like, it's a refresher. It's not like the best thing from the line or anything like that, but I definitely really do like these two products. So I definitely wanted to come and do a video for you guys on them, just in case it is a company that you've been eyeing but not quite sure if you want to try it. I feel like this company is not well known. I don't think it's that big, at least not yet, but the products that I tried that they sent me are really nice products and really well made. And so yeah, so I felt like it deserved a YouTube video. So what I am doing is I am just twisting my hair in a 3-strand twist. Y'all know that is my go-to hairstyle, and I'm trying to do I want my hair to fall in the front of my hair. I will insert a picture of what the idea that I have in mind. Now I don't know if it's gonna do it, but we're gonna try. So I'm first going to go in and apply this coconut cream hair milk. That's what it's called. I'm just going to apply that all throughout my hair. One thing about this product is I find that you can be pretty heavy-handed with it and it will not flake. This product is absolutely amazing. I did use this product, well, both of these products, in a wash and go video, so I will link that if you guys are interested in seeing that. And it just left my hair so moisturized. Both of these products leave my hair super moisturized, and they're so moisturizing but not heavy. Like, one thing about them is that when you use them, your hair will feel very lightweight. I have used these products quite a few times since they have been sent to me. Like I said, I've been slacking in the video area of filming this video, but since I was using them, I was like, let me just set up my camera and go ahead and film it. So this coconut hair milk is made with cocoa butter and coconut milk. It is a moisturizing hair milk that softens and nourishes hair. So once I apply that, I'm just going to go in with the Seal and Twist Souffle. So this is a natural butter that's supposed to seal in moisture and leaves hairstyles soft and conditioned. One thing I like about this Seal and Twist butter, it's like whipped, but it definitely melts into like an oil. A little of this stuff goes a long way. Like, you do not need a lot of this stuff. And I think because it's whipped, you can kind of feel yourself get heavy-handed with the product. But you really just, a little of this stuff goes a long way. And you don't want to get heavy-handed because then it can make your hair feel more so greasy than moisturized. So, you know, just definitely be light on that Seal and Twist Souffle. But other than that, I really like this product. I think it is a great moisturizer. It's also a great re-moisturizer. You know, if you're just midweek, just spray your hair with some water and then apply that, and you can easily re-moisturize your hair. The hair milk I like because I can use this alone. Every time I use this, I don't apply a leave-in. I just pretty much use the hair milk as a leave-in. It is that moisturizing and it feels that good that I just feel like I don't need a leave-in when I'm using this hair milk. And then I'm just going to 3-strand twist. You guys know 3-strand twists are my favorite go-to hairstyle. Like, I love 3-strand twists. Just love the curl definition it gives. And so for me, they're my go-to. So what I'm going to do is just kind of just speed this part up, play some music, and then if I need to step in and start talking, I will start talking.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this this is what we waited for.
Okay, so this is my hair all twisted up. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. And right now, these products, I can tell this is going to be bomb.com. Yeah, so I'll come back when my hair is dry, probably the next morning before I go to work. And I will share with you guys the final results of these products. Like I said, I have used these products before. I know what to expect with these products. I know I get great definition, great shine, and super moisturized hair. So now I'm just showing y'all the lusciousness that I get. So I'm going for this little bang look, and I'm probably going to have to pin it because I actually don't like my hair in my face. But yeah, so I'll come back in the morning and I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, so I definitely almost forgot to come back, but this is my hair after I have unraveled those 3-strand twists. And as you guys can see, my hair is super, super defined, super moisturized. Like, my hair is so freaking moisturized, I can't even describe. I really, 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 truly like these products. I feel as though this is a brand. It's still very small because I feel like you don't hear a lot about this brand, but I do feel like they have some really good products, and I'm definitely interested in trying more of their products. Again, I have the Caribbean Coils Coconut Cream Hair Milk, as well as the Seal and Twisting Souffle. Now, I do want to say that you can more than likely use this coconut cream hair milk alone. I think it is a great daily moisturizer as well. But I just feel like for that extra moisture, that extra boost, just putting a tad bit of this Twisting Souffle on your hair just takes your hairstyle to the next level. Definitely very reminiscent of the Curls Dynasty products. They remind me of each other, so maybe I need to do a comparison on those before I, finish up my Curls Dynasty, because yeah, they remind me of each other. Yeah, that's all I have. I'm loving my hair right now. Let me know what you think of my hair down below in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.